Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through a quick and simple guide on how to share a page link on the Instagram app when you're using it on your PC. With the new update, the process is smoother than ever, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to do it step by step. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once the app loads, head over to the search bar or scroll through your feed to find the page or profile you want to share. This could be a friend's account, a brand, or any page you'd like to send to someone else. After you've found the page, look to the very top right of their profile. You'll notice 3 small dots sitting at the corner of the account page. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. As soon as you click, a menu will pop up offering different options. From here, select the option that says Share To. This is the new update feature that makes sharing much faster on PC. Once you click Share To, Instagram will give you a list of ways you can share the page link. You can send it directly to someone through Instagram messages, or if you'd like, copy the link and share it outside of Instagram on another platform like WhatsApp, Messenger, or even email. It depends on how you want to send it and who you're sharing it with. To finish up, simply choose where you want to share the page, and Instagram will take care of the rest. If you send it in a message, it will go directly to that person's inbox inside the app. If you copy the link, you're free to paste it anywhere you like. And that's all there is to it. Just open Instagram on PC, find the page you want, click the 3 dots, select Share To, and choose where to share. With just a few easy clicks, you can now share your favorite profiles with friends, family, or your community, no matter how you're accessing Instagram.